I mean, we're just all over, and we're trying to do even more. We support sponsorships of scholarships monetarily. We have a few of those that we've just approved and are sending out, and community-led programs. Like I said, what don't we do
Yeah.
is
A
probably
lot.
easier to answer
Yes.
than we just got connection with Big Brothers and Big Sisters that we met at a Puget Sound Business Journal event. And so people like the networking side of what we do as well is very important, because that's how we make connections. You and I met through a networking call.
Yes.
And now, we're expanding our networks and sharing who we know.
Yeah.
So we do a lot of networking and a lot of business dinners and luncheons and stuff like that as well. So just the full gamut. I know we're going to be supporting Black Night Market coming up
Oh, okay.
um, in downtown Tacoma for their Soul Food Festival, and those
When
dollars are
when
going
is
to,
that? Do you
huh?
know do you know
That's,
when the date is that?
I think it's going to be sometime the end of July. They're still
July.
kind of
Okay,
working
cool.
on holding
So
it
there's still
down.
time for people to
Yeah,
go.
but the
So yeah.
sponsorship dollars there goes to paying for like food licensing and like fees for that day
That's good.
for a restaurateur or somebody that wants to have a setup there. So stuff like that, like if we can continue to just pour our dollars back into the community, women's
Yes.
shelters. I mean, the list. We have about 100 events so far for this year on the books, and more
Wow. Okay,
more to
cool.
come, of all kinds throughout our entire footprint. So yeah.
Yes.